at one point in our life ani zanna mi kring ting ni mi pui ne long ke thok ai bne chu za meeting kom na ka ba maria chang za we go through different stages in our life, we go through different emotions in our life ne mi kring ting ya lo ket ma kai lo ka na doubts bang lo num kan sia ba maybe doubts of your own self hai maybe nam du num kan sia me ma kai na mi mata te bige te wang chang mak te wang chang mak mi ramna chu ko ni la long ni for good doubts me ma kai ne or harasam we as a Christian hai ani a Christian mate jam loge we go through different emotions in our life ne harasam ke leya sometimes haraba me ga me ni nang lo ke ka num cha be ning cha ma we all have that doubts right in our life sometimes hai ilaya chpo face the like chpo doubts hai and naka ine nang ka he ching ham log especially naka nang teenage ko ni ki re nang early 20s ko ram ne ki re and then I'm sure that nang ukring ting log ka na ko doubts mi go family go la me bizai do mak na haralam ke mak scripture or hara ani do home that God's love for us so when I had none of the ni doubts se la la inji ma kan ni taw lai I realize get I go experience ma kan ai share to I will naka get any doubts te kulo get about doubts na these doubts can either lead you to depression, it can mess up your life, or it can enlighten you and make a better person hey because in the Bible there doubts the characters which I will not go into details because we don't have time. Matthew 11:11 के पेज ना John the Baptist है पे John the Baptist है जिसु क्रिस्ताना पे चुरा है पे क्या Matthew 11:11 के पेज है ना पे लिंग सिंग ज़े लिंग नुई ज़े इरांग ले mi pui mi da gane long ke me roge mi do baptist pe Johann the so di za tamarele so Jesus considered him as the greatest man to be ever born have they pray long ke roge as John Baptist gum la di be long ke wa marele le Jesus Christ na but this same person apo John the Baptist Jesus Christ na to example the di lang de le example gum di be long Diba into like not like bodily, not physical structure in terms of his personality, to go can labor to go quality di lang this John the Baptist lay that this he expressed his doubts. John the Baptist, when he had doubts, he did not keep it to himself. But I don't know he expressed Matthew 11:3 page John the Baptist nang ze wang ke rapper the me nu ne kada per ze ani kwara re lao so the John the Baptist he also had a doubt here so which means it's natural and reason na there zane me pom tanglaga there are times that we doubt ani num siak lo me printing and num siak lo ta le he naka doubts there are two types of doubts doubters there are two types of doubters num kan sia da pizet kanala le and it depends on how you deal with your doubts naka pizet kanala le the first there are two types of doubters the first are walking away from God and believe they are finding freedom so now naka apok na king there are two types of doubters doubt be na pizala le ga la lang ke doubt be pizal ke chna doubt blog haragna de telu ze panani ai bana a ha ta Christian te ta da haradu super sa le ni ta da I am free ada ya go printing ya ma do rules and regulations I don't have to follow anything now naka samsane Christian te ma ka na haradu nu ma ma if you see their lifestyle pani go lifestyle te ne Puni Harado Numta di blog Harada Gana Data ti blog they don't have the responsibility to pray, they don't have the responsibility to read the Bible. As a Christian nakaha samne Christian te blog it's a responsibility to pray kane kakulum be mang sana Bible kya ba it's not aya responsibility, duty. You don't pray or you don't read Bible as a duty. Hey, kana it is something you do out of love. Nang hong mzegine haradu hong mzegine putuga kulumda namang sana nang naka mi kham du le as inang mi kham nang go friendship ke nang kham du kam pho ba ma sana nang kham du nang share de, but it's not a burden, right? Burden ma ko hai, or you think that it's burden sharing your personal stories or sharing your personal experience with your friend. Suppose do you count that as a burden, or do you do it because because they are your friends and you like doing it? Nang ni kam du nang ni ma share de ba, nang ni kam da ya nang ni ma phoi ba ma ta le nang ni kam da ya phoi ne ba mi hang ka dai ba mu na he na chi ja nang ni share de ba za o aya a kham da za I share de nang na share de mang na I po friendship maintain de mang ta he bu ku ning gu za share de me nu ne ka na ma kai ne share de ne be share de lo nang ne. So so it is something you do out of love. Hey, nakani as a Christian mele za nakani Bible kya ba makna kakulum ba raki tat ba makna zina dung ai ba na ni ta iba de ba za it should not be a burden, but it is something that you do out of love. Haradu hum bazigine tebele le ka na ka ge when you have doubts me ku tinga mi da ge doubts pa lo ge harada ge na chipomi ku doubts clarify ta ma ka you just let the doubts eat you up. Nang ku doubts na nang tuten siarang ge nang permission pe ri ko hai. You do not try to come out of the doubts, but you let the doubts eat you up, and that's where the danger lies. Ku doubts there is a danger le. When you have doubts, you will walk away from God, and you think that you find your freedom. Suppose na first get one kind of doubters. When you have doubts, you realize nang doubt nang realize okay or like you feel that you're going out far away from God, but then you try to find a way back. Nang struggle there's a hair like nang doubt there's a makna irata na de nang realize doubts have it's not just about God. Doubts it affects everything here. Migo life, migo career, especially migo faith barrier you create a wall when you have doubts. And that's okay, but then you have to try to break that wall. You need to try to come out of that doubts. When you feel that you have doubts in life, maybe in your studies, in any forms, doubts, you try to come out, and and this kind of doubts, it's not like danger. You will have doubts when you try to come out of that door. You eventually, and then Bible ke page na Jesus Christ go kani mrame Jesus Christ go kani mram na ni Bible yango kam na he kani mram na how close they were working and walking, traveling with Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ apne kani mo tinkum I say Japanese travel then some the punim debate and then the very disciple hai Jesus Christ kani me Jesus Christ na Jesus Christ go ta te ba Jesus Christ go miracle puni mixing na witness te lu ba Jesus kani me hai they had a doubt punile doubts doubt te le Jesus Christ ge well Jesus Christ chai lu ring su ga dai mai ge puni pu ki ka dog lo ge they had a doubt, right? Matthew 28 they had a doubt. Some of them doubted. Bible English Bible and Jesus also knows. Jesus clearly knows that what happened? Jesus Christ okay, I can about so doubt the hebloga. Sometimes anism not as a mina and doubt the hebloga. We had this inferiority complex. Miruna midunum siapla peleka, Netisu Christana Benitra doubted a legacy, but he still he still let them go ahead and preach the good news to the world. Daud bam lai bechika lura kane Jisu Kristana buku kanim du teluze mara sam iba kadere daga pawai lau za Jisu Kristana rang la hai. So Jesus, when he knew that his disciple had a doubt, but he still let them go. He still let them go and preach the good word to the world. And spoke the Lord Jesus Christana punidu assurance baby here. 28:20 ya pena Jesus Christana punu pugu kani medaga promise assurance makani hai mananga assurance pele. I will always be with you. I will always be there till the end of the age. Rehai ka maktana namitai ye ibambam lai Jesus Christana assurance pe gai. So Jesus Christa go kani imra punu the disciples they had a doubt. Na kana puni doubt bamles do nuka puniza they come into the second category of doubters hai nuka iram log hai puni go doubts tana puni do they had like in one corner puni Jesus Christanga kan number kya bambe the cheese na te indi luza Jesus Christada served harara sam poro and then they continue preaching the good word here. And when they had a doubt, they help each other. Sometimes among your friends, your friend circle, doubts share maybe your teacher parents you share your doubts and try to clarify your doubts doubts bottle up don't let it mess up your life doubts maybe to your friends and anyone on this share so you try to clarify your doubts and try to come out of that doubts. And then so doubts bamne so Jisu Christana puni assurance pe visa te mi lo za ta gum sa ni har na le he ra te tile na Bible ganu kai rangai di musan ka Sarah na Abraham he was 100 years old when he gave birth he Jisu Christana jo amaka harana jo nang na hang pe ru le he a promise he Abraham na Sarah they had a doubt he nai haragu promise su panai doubt the they laugh anai gum ching chai na have a panai like a doubt but still did God fulfill his promise? Yes, hey, this is Maharana promise to fulfill that way. Hey, now Thomas lay and the Bible getting high in Nana, and Nama Rana and them up in any Thomas in the thing down with the hair. So now Thomas Dums allow me to hear my hair. So Naga in the Kairan Kawai began two types of doubters. First type of doubters it's very dangerous, it can mess up your life. And the second type of doubters, doubts it's never good. Hey, doubts but it's normal, but it's never good. You need to come out of that. And doubts certain hunger it's a great opportunity. Certain hunger opportunity and so we need to come out of that. And upon Matthew 28:20 upon my mouth and you go printing and in high not Harana Pugu, and the Tiger people on Sang Bambam, let the book assurance that I did Kaluza, and the Lumbam Kileza. Never doing here.